Welcome to JS from Scratch. We're a coding bootcamp focused on JavaScript, from the very beginning to the advanced concepts. My name is Aidan, and I'll be your lead instructor in this bootcamp. I'm a veteran JS educator. I'm also the author of 14 books on web development. Plus, for the last 8 years, I've been teaching people to code in JavaScript. So why should you consider this bootcamp? Well, becoming a pro developer requires strategic planning. How do you deal with the overwhelming number of technologies? How do you move fast through the web development jungle? I'll guide and mentor you on each step of this journey. We'll start very slow so that even a complete beginner can understand what is happening. Next, I'll take you through the minimum needed theory to build practical apps. We'll build over 50 apps together, starting with a simple age checker app. Then we'll move on to other interesting projects, and I'll teach you both theory and practice as needed, as you progress through the material. Additionally, since this is a brand new bootcamp, I'm offering something that is rarely found. Group sessions, that is, calls with me and other bootcamp members. Individualized tests to track your progress. One-on-one progress report overviews. I'll be actively tracking your progress and making sure you get to where you want to go in the fastest way possible. Another benefit to taking this bootcamp is the Discord support, where you can meet your peers, ask questions, collaborate on projects, get unblocked in your day-to-day work. To sum up, this bootcamp is all about you. We have a streamlined curriculum that's been built for well over 5 years. We're offering unique progress tracking. Obviously, there is automation. You can watch and read lessons in the bootcamp without anyone's assistance. Everything is automated. But also, there is the, so to say, human touch, meaning we'll support you on your journey. I'm dedicated to helping you succeed. As far as the curriculum goes, the idea is to teach you JavaScript and all the related technologies to make you a competent developer. But we're mainly focused on JavaScript. Additionally, I'll be using the content from my books on React, Vue, Angular, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. You'll learn other related technologies as well. If you've been watching until now, you're probably interested in the price. Bootcamp's regular price is $99 per month. But the launch price for this bootcamp is only $29 per month. This is for the first 50 customers only. To get started, hit the link in the description and you'll be taken to the checkout page. Thank you.